Coating techniques play a vital role in the longevity and functionality of products and structures by providing essential protection against environmental, chemical, and physical stresses. This video focuses on why selecting the right coating technique is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and durability of the coated surfaces. This video will compare several popular coating techniques, highlighting their respective advantages and disadvantages. By understanding these differences, you can make informed decisions suitable for their specific industrial, commercial, or personal projects. Types of coating techniques. Powder coating. Powder coating involves applying a dry powder, usually a mixture of finely ground particles of pigment and resin to surfaces and curing them under heat to form a skin. It is primarily used on metals and is applied through electrostatic spray deposition. Liquid painting. Liquid painting involves applying a liquid paint that contains pigments, binders, and solvents to a surface through brushing, rolling, or spraying. This method is versatile and can be used on a variety of materials including metal, wood, and plastic. Electroplating. Electroplating involves applying a metal coating to an object by using an electrical current to reduce dissolved metal cations so that they form a coherent metal coating on the electrode. This method is often used for both decorative and functional purposes, adding corrosion resistance, enhanced appearance, or increased durability to metal parts. This video has provided a comprehensive overview of various coating techniques that can help you select the most appropriate coating technique that offers the best balance of performance, cost, and appearance. So when choosing a coating technique, prioritize the specific needs of your project. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button for more video notifications. For more questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at gz-supplies.com or contact us on sales@gz-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and on Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria. Thank you for watching.